take away every victim mentality from your mindset. You are not to be pitied. You are not a subject of pity. You are to be envied. The best you will get for giving excuses, the best you will get for giving complaints is pity. You are not playing the pity game. You are playing the blame game so that people can pity you. You are looking good to shift the blame on. When you can take responsibility and stand up and insist that this is the future that I want and I insist on it. This is the kind of result I want to see my life produce and I insist on it. This is the kind of person I want to be and I insist on it. I want to be admired. My circumstances notwithstanding, if you have to be proven to everyone, you are not yet exceptional. There are some things that there's the level of results you will get, the respect will come naturally. Stop forcing things. Don't chase respect. Chase results. Chase the real thing. Stop chasing shadow. Stop chasing